I just got something in the mail from Laowa. Look at the side of this. Look at this. It's long, it's round. Don't let your mind go there. Is it a probe lens? I have wanted to try out the Laowa probe lens for so long. It looks amazing. Veronica agrees. She thinks it's fantastic. We have stickers, cards, more stickers. Laowa really likes their kitschy little characters, don't they? It's pretty fun though. Ooh, a button with a lens on it, the nanomorph lens. I haven't tried this lens. They haven't sent one to me. We've got some padding here. Oh, wait a second. This isn't a lens at all. Is it a welcome mat? What is this? Well, let's review it. The Laowa mat. On the mat, we can see it is shaped like a lens. There is a ladder on the side. There is a duck. There is an egg. There's a shovel, a diving board, and a ball. And a watermelon? Maybe it's a cactus. I don't know. On the back, there's a pleasing grippiness. It's rubbery. On the sides, it is stitched together, much like a fancy mouse pad. Is this large enough for a welcome mat? No. Maybe it should go by the bedside. I'm not sure. Is it thick and plush? Not really, just a medium amount. Not padded. How is it printed? This appears to be not individually colored threads, but this is inked on a base layer, which is all one white-ish off-white color. Eventually the colors are going to wear off of this mat if you do end up stepping on it a lot. Will it hold a cat? Let's find out. Do you like it? Veronica likes it. So there you have it. A Christmas greeting. From Laowa. The Laowa mat. I now need to brush the cat hair off it. Don't you pick it. Don't you pick it. Stop picking. This is not even remotely resistant to a cat picking. This might not last very long. Let's go take some photos.